First pilots to 5 laps will determine where you come in this race. People are tense, but at the end of the day, we're all friends here. It's a community of racing hard. And they are off. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pilots. We've seen 4 pilots split off from that main pack. We won't know how far ahead they're ahead until they go through that start-finish gate, but when we do, we'll be able to see how far ahead they are in front of the pack. We've already got 1 pilot doing their first lap, closely followed by 3 other pilots. He is nearly 2 seconds in front of everyone else, though. That is a clear lead in front. Everybody has done their first lap, though.
Down. He's in bits like.
Pilot number 1 is doing their second lap now. Quickest lap so far in this race is 19.62. We have had a 17-second lap over the weekend. It's a quick course. The up and over, the split S, the tunnel. It's pretty technical as well. We have actually had a new leader come out in front. Only 1 second in front of the other guy. So we've lost a couple of races throughout this race. It is tough. Racing in this heat is not easy.
Need speed and consistency.
6 finished.
Pilot number 6 has finished.
3 finished.
Pilot number 3 is finished.
Finish your lap. 5 finished.
Pilot number 5 has finished as well. The race is over. We've got our top 3 pilots with 5 laps each.